Hey guys, so now we will jump into site structure. How you can build structure of your site for more effectively, so you can pass your link juice more effectively, and that help you to rank over time. So let's start. So first of all, backlinks are key. Lots of people know like backlinks help a lot. Off pages you help a lot. So you need to build your site in a way that you can maximize the output of that backlink, the links that you are having. So what I did first of all, your post, like if you are in a micro niche, then it will be not your problem. But if you are running a authority site in Amazon affiliate, that will be a headache for you if you did not do it from first day. So okay, let me open Kinsta. Okay, not a Kinsta, you need to open a blog. So 10beast is a very popular Amazon affiliate blog. So what they did, their all important posts are linked on their homepage. Why they did it? Because homepage is a page that got most of the links of your website. In micro niche sites, we build mostly links on homepage. I build links on homepage while it's profile backlink or whatever. So what happens is when profile backlinks are on homepage, then most of the juice on the website is on homepage. So we need to drive that juice to another sites. But you know what? Like I'm having all links juice to homepage. So now I'm having all the posts. But in 10beast, they're having lots of posts. Like this site was flipped in, I think, $5 to $7 lakh. I don't know the exact amount, but that website flipped very, you can say, very high price. So as you can see, like they are linking their most important post. Like I am seeing this post from around last 1 year. They are from here, nothing changed. Like best gaming mouse 2020. Let's see how this strategy works. Like they are also done some other optimizations. Wow, I really love that. What plugin, what is this? 10 plugin. Maybe they are using Ninja Table or this plugin. Let's see, we will do that thing as well. So let's see how you can optimize your user intent. Are you having a okay? Oh, wow, wow, wow! I really like this plugin. I need to use it. Wow, love that. Awesome, 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 awesome. Ninja Tables Pro. The paid. I love that. I love that. Really, I love this plugin. So let me bookmark it down. Okay, I will check it out later. So we are seeing this. The Verge is very popular one. A very competitive niche. Where are you, my 10 beast? They're not ranking over here. Normally, that's a very competitive term. Like gaming mouses, how much? They are very expensive, guys. They're very expensive, as I know. I are a gaming geek, like $42. Like $42 only. I don't believe this, so $74, $130. Okay, not expensive. I don't know why, but I have seen the more expensive one. So we will talk about some CRO as well in CRO parts, but this side will be a best for if you want to learn CRO as well. So they are linking their most important post over here. And there is one rule of SEO, excuse me guys, that your most important post has to be linked from your homepage. They have to be click away from your homepage. What I mean by 3 click away, like I go to tag gear, 1 click, 2 click. If most important post is a 2 or 3 click away, that's very good thing. Because if when your post are 2 or 3 click away, that helps Google to understand like these posts are most important blocks or most important posts that they want to rank, and Google will be able to more crawl them. Like crawlability is the factor over here, and crawlability is the factor. That's why we need to keep everything, the most important post, 3 click away from your home page. Okay, so that's all that you need to do while optimizing your site. And there are lots of sites as well. If we take example of Neil Patel is not doing that. Matthew do it. He's doing that well also. If you go to SEO section, just go over here. Most important post are links over here. If you go to backlinko, like maybe he's doing this also. I have seen that in past days. It's long time I have visited backlinko. Hey, as you can see, important post is over here. Where is the link? Okay, that's a newsletter. Newsletter about blog is given below. Okay, guys, SEO training. Okay, so they are having nothing like that. They have changed the structure. I don't know why. I have to say it. How to build awesome backlinks in 2020. Good strategy. I will sign it up. Oh, that's a simple thing, but you can do so. So if you are running a micro niche site, you get my point, right? Everything your post has to be, all post has to be on homepage. If you're having 5 to 6 posts, if you're having more posts, you can create a structure like I am thinking to do. Like I will create a structure for paintball for kids. All posts will be there. Now what I'm doing is I'm covering everything related to paintball for kids. Why I'm doing that? Because when I'm having everything around paintball for kids, I can jump into a broader niche. Paintball for everyone, for young boys, like that is more profitable niche than kids. But I'm doing it because for the sake of doing it. I mean, I'm doing it because like I'm doing it like because I want to make authority in the kids niche. That also helped me to obtain backlinks. And one more thing is, guys, you know this image, when I was reaching for guest post, I offered this image like I will improve the stat image. That works crazy, guys. If I can show you, okay, that's out of context, but in building backlinks I will show you the case study. So that's all for today. So in this video we talked about all about the site structure, right? In the next video we will be talking about that is something like FAQ snippets and how you can optimize your site more. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you inside next video.